And so I can reach down, I can see my hands down here. So I can reach down and grab my carry weapon, and that's pretty nice. Well, hi friends, welcome back to the shop. You know, every now and then I come across a product that is so well thought out and very helpful that I want to share it with you guys. Recently, I was able to partner with Vertx, and they sent this jacket to me. This is the Integrity P Jacket. And the reason I want to mention this to you is because it's so versatile. I don't know if you can see my breath right now. It's very cold out. And it's kind of dreary, foggy. And this is a perfect kind of weather for a jacket like this, or just colder weather. This jacket is very insulated, so it has insulation in it, but it's not bulky. And there's a few features that I really love about this, especially one key feature that I'll share with you in just a moment. But this jacket, the outside shell is a water and wind resistant shell. It's a ripstop material. Also, the sleeves are articulated, so that and also the gusseted armpits give you a lot of movement. So when I talk about work jacket, it's rugged in that way. It's a rugged, tactical work jacket. It's a tactical work jacket because it combines elements of both the tactical world, I'll show you in a moment, and also the working world. When you're doing projects with wood, or you're building anything, or just around the property, your house, you just need a jacket to take out. But I also think it looks good too. So you could take this out, you know, a night on the town or whatever as well. So, but it does have a lot of pockets. You've got two big dump pockets right here. So you got zippered right here, and you can dump a bunch of stuff down in here. And the reason I also want to mention this is that Vertx sells a number of like hook and loop accessories that you can put on things. If you want to have mag accessories or other kinds of things, other pouches, mini pouches, you can put those things and it will hook and loop to these inner dump pockets, which is kind of nice. You also have obviously hand pockets on the side, which are pretty roomy down here, and they're insulated on the outside. So it's not that you put your hands in and they stay cold or something. You also have an inner pocket, not hit my microphone, an inner pocket right here, a chest pocket, you know, store valuables or whatever you want to up here. That's kind of handy. And the other thing about this, and here's the thing I want to mention in particular, is let's say you're carrying like I am right here, and you know you want to be discreet, covert about getting your weapon out. Let's say you're somewhere, you're walking along the sidewalk with your wife, and maybe there's somebody that is not looking too friendly approaching or coming up, or let's say you're in a crowded area and a guy comes into a store or something and you just got your hands in your pockets like this. Well, very discreetly, you can take your weapon, your CCW out, and pull it out, and you're good to go. So that's really handy. So because inside these pockets right here, there is a vertical zippered slit. And so I can reach down, I can see my hands down here. So I can reach down and grab my carry weapon, and that's pretty nice. So when I say it's a tactical work jacket, that's what I'm talking about. It's just very thoughtful. That's what I keep thinking about this jacket. It's just so well thought out. You know, even the cuffs, on the bottom of the cuff, it's very stretchy material. So you're not going to get, you know, snow and stuff coming in to your cuffs and keeping your arms cold. But on the outside, it's still that shell. So the outside of you is still protected, but it just gives just a little bit added level of comfort and warmth as well. So I don't know, it's just those kinds of things that I think is just very thoughtful. But because of the articulated sleeves and the gusseted armpits, the elastic cuffs and stuff on here, it just allows for maximum movement. So whether I'm running, you know, doing all kinds of activity, or doing work, if I'm, you know, having my my axe and I'm chopping or felling a tree or something like that, this would be ideal. And if the snow is falling on me, it's okay. You know, you gotta, I'm not going to zip it up all the way because my microphone is here, but you can zip this up and it'll cover, you know, up around your neck. Now they have a version of this that has a hood, and I'll drop a link for this down below. I also have, and I've had for a long time, and I bought with my own money, their vest. So they've got an Integrity P vest that's just like this. Mine's brown. This is black here. They got different colors. But I've got a vest that I've loved. And so when they reached out to me about possibly partnering with them, I was like, that's fantastic, because I've long appreciated their bags. And I'll have more videos on some of their bags and gear coming out. I have already some videos on Vertx stuff, and one of their bags, the Navigator, which I love and I carry with me everywhere. But I just want to share with you this jacket today, because I think it's just really helpful. Again, well thought out. And again, I'll drop a link for this down below. If you haven't already done so, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Really appreciate you and your support for us. And we'll see you in the next video.